Attention please. This uploading is only for educational purpose. No intention to infringe copyrights. Learning English with subtitles. GPITRAL. Follow us.
Jake's been photographing his latest hot model. Have you guessed who she is? Yes, she's the 7-inch circular saw. Ooh, she's sharp. Friday in Dummy World, and all God's little creatures are enjoying the morning sun. Or that is, except perhaps one.
All right. Hey, Bright Eyes, what's wrong with you?
It's Maurice.
Maurice the mink?
Yeah.
Oh, no. Oh, yeah. What happened?
You don't want to know, mate.
I do want to know.
He was caught up in a horrific hamster wheel incident. He was decapitated.
No.
Oh, yeah.
Listen, Steve, I can't even begin to imagine what you're going through. It must be horrific. But there's no use crying over split mink. Look, I'm basically saying he's gone to a better place. He's dancing with the fairies. He's about to be 6 foot under.
I'm going to have to stop you there, Dan.
I'm sorry, was I being a bit too insensitive?
No. You've just given me a wicked idea. How dead do you have to be
bulletproof?
You said it.
But we don't just say things, Steve.
We do them.
To the bunker.
It's what he would have wanted.
The boys are heading down to their secret cellar to see just how deep you need to be bulletproof.
Right then. It's been a very, very sad day.
Devastated.
But it's time to send Maurice off with a proper crash test gun salute. This is a Glock 17, and it fires 9mm bullets. That's 1mm short of a centimetre. Mental. You feeling me?
Touch.
Imagine, if you will, Steve, that this is you, this melon, and you're going to be buried underneath this 1.5 feet of soil.
I wish you'd told me you'd already soiled yourself. Wouldn't have brought this stuff. No worries. I like where you're going with it, I think.
Right, let's get cracking.
Will 1.5 feet of soil act as some sort of agricultural bulletproof vest and protect the hapless melon from certain death? Well, now's the time to find out. So, 1.5 feet of soil won't help you out against hot lead.
Melones.
We need to go a little deeper, boys!
Oh, big melones.
3 feet deep and digging. The melon's got it again. So how deep do you have to be buried to be bulletproof?
Get rid of that melon, Steve. It's time to bury this question. 6 feet deep.
Yeah. Hey, yeah, oh, that's deep.
Last chance. 6 feet of mucky soil.
This one's for you, Maurice.
Do it, Daddy-O. Right, we've stopped it.
But whereabouts?
Let's have a look. Where's the bullet? Where's the bullet gone? There it is. Get the measure out, Dan.
Okay, it's yellow. That is 5.5 foot.
Right then, according to this, in order to be bulletproof, you'd need to be buried just under 6 foot deep.
Well, I mean, if you were buried 6 feet deep, you'd actually be sort of dead already, wouldn't you?
Well, yeah, but technically, I suppose.
No, you actually would be dead, so it wouldn't matter if you were bulletproof or not. So testing all of this was a bit of a waste of time.
Hey. Ain't not never nothing out there that not worth testing, Dan.
Yeah, you're right. We're crash test dummies.
Yes, we are.
We're the second biggest superpower in the world.
I won't go that far.
No? Do you want to go back?
Yeah. Hey, whoa, too fast.
Slow down.
It's Sunday morning in Dummy World, and Dan's hard at work on his new girlfriend. She's a car, and she's called Cordelia.
See that? Hard yakka.
All right, mate. How you doing? Got it sorted?
Yeah, I'm all right. Cordelia is as good as new. Back to her best, mate.
Nice one. Any chance you can give me a lift down to the allotment, then? My petit pois are running amok down there.
All right, then. Just give us 5 minutes to tighten me nuts.
Nice one. You do what you got to do, my friend. Give us a shout when you're done.
Will do.
The boys are off to the allotment. What can they be testing here? Garden peas? Surely not.
Have you done something to your roof?
Hail-proof shingles, mate. Threw them on last week.
All right, you want to get yourself a life.
Tell me about it.
The manufacturers claim this formulated fiberglass covering will help protect a roof from a battering of pea-sized hailstones, making it virtually weatherproof.
Right, so let me get this right. You think that an extra flimsy layer on this roof can stop this shed from whatever nature throws at it?
That's exactly what I'm saying, Dan.
But dummies don't just test, they test to destruction.
It is bad news for you and your shed, because for one day only, I am playing God.
Oi, ginger nuts! That's my job!
You're all right. Yeah, what I meant to say was, today, I am the weatherman.
Fair dues. What's the crack with the freezer?
What I've got in here is an exact replica of the largest hailstones that have ever fallen in the UK.
Oh, yeah. I remember that. Oh, I get it. I'm smelling what you're cooking. You think you get the hailstones and I'll be all susceptible, I'll be scared because of what happened last time. Well, it ain't gonna work, mate. Not this time. My shingles can take whatever you can chuck at it.
Oh, I am so ahead of the game, it ain't even funny, mate.
It ain't.
I'm also going to chuck in the world's largest.
Oh, I see.
Yeah.
Big balls, mate.
Yeah.